Porsche made a gaming monitor? What? Alright, this is something you don't get to see every day, like exclusive content on our channel. Today in the house, we have one of a kind gaming monitor, like premium, luxury class of its own. And as I've told you, it's made by Porsche Design, the same company that produces supercars. Literally, who would have thought they'd get into gaming? So Porsche Design collaborated with AOC and made this special monitor called the AGON Pro PD32M. And it literally takes inspiration from their supercars. Like it takes design elements from their alloy rims, the steering wheel, and the whole look and feel of this monitor is like next level, guys. And not only that, the specs are also crazy fast. It's a 4K resolution mini LED IPS display and has like 144 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond G2G response time. So I'm like very excited to unbox and show you this product in this video. Let's get started. So our brand new Porsche Design AGON Pro gaming monitor from AOC came in this sort of box packaging. It's a massive package and there was no way I could do the unboxing alone, so called in my dad for some help. Look at the whole packaging, guys. Very clean, right? All black box with just the Porsche design mentioned on the front and says AGON Pro PD32 and that is the model we'll be unboxing today. Now talking about the main highlights, it's a 32-inch gaming monitor and you can have a look at the specs to the side of the box. It's a 4K resolution gaming monitor, features a mini LED IPS display technology and with up to 144 Hz high refresh rate and 1 millisecond G2G response time. Yes, it's also VESA certified display HDR 1400. I'm like very excited to unbox and check it out, guys. So as soon as you open it, right, you have an accessory box over here which includes some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. And this is a very special remote. It's a wireless remote to fully control monitor's menu and all the functions. Plus you're also getting a couple of freebie cables like HDMI, DisplayPort cable, and also look at this power adapter. Damn, that is one chunky power brick, I would say. Anyways, that's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally take out the monitor and check out how this thing actually looks like. And there you go, boys, our very first look at Porsche Design AGON Pro gaming monitor from AOC. As I've told you, it's a super big 32 inches 4K 144 Hz gaming monitor. And look at this. It's got an all black sporty design and says Porsche Design on the front. Oh wow. It does have like a nearly bezel-less sort of experience, and here's how the back profile of the monitor looks like. So what I'll do is I'll quickly install the stand, set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using the Porsche Design gaming monitor since the last couple of days and there are so many things I'll have to talk about. First of all, let me tell you about the design and the build quality part. AOC's AGON Pro PD32M was made in collaboration with Porsche Design, as I've told you, and has a very beautiful look, guys. It's a stunning gaming monitor and is like a sports car in this sort of segment. I mean, look at the whole design over here. You're getting a nearly bezel-less sort of experience on the front and has like three-sided bezel-less design, especially on the sides and the top. On the bottom you do have a bit of chin, but again that is also complemented with a beautiful brushed metallic sort of finish with the Porsche Design metallic logo at the center. And not just the display, guys, even the stand on this monitor is special. It actually takes inspiration from Porsche sports car steering wheel and has this unique trapezoidal sort of shape. I love that hollow inverted V sort of design. And actually at the center of the stand, right, you even have like a logo projection system where when you power on the monitor, right, you get the Porsche logo projected on the bottom, and you also have like a focus wheel to properly adjust it during your usage. Here's how the side profile of the monitor looks like. Now obviously it's like a large 32-inch gaming monitor, right, so this much thickness would obviously be there. And here's how the back profile of the PD32M looks like. Very minimalistic and class looking product, guys. And talking about the build quality, solid build quality. The brand hasn't compromised anywhere. It's made of like top quality polycarbonate material and has a nice textured pattern as well. You have the AOC branding as well as the AGON branding at the back side. One more thing you might have not noticed over here is the entire back area of the monitor actually features like 3-zone RGB lighting, and they're calling it as RGB light effects. Once you power on the monitor, right, the RGB lights up and bam, this is how the monitor looks like. The RGB lighting on it is like fully customizable using monitor's OSD menu only. You have around like 14 different lighting effects to choose from and looks absolutely stunning. It even offers like ambient lighting backdrop to your desktop, though I wouldn't say it's like much visible during daytime, but during low light situations or in dark room sort of situations, here's how the scene looks like. And wait a second, I haven't showed you the I/O connectivity part, right? So all the ports are present at the back of the monitor at the lower half section. So let me give you a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on the PD32M. You get a 5-way navigational joystick used to fully navigate and adjust the monitor's on-screen menu functions, followed by a microphone in. 3.5mm headphone port is also there, Type-C with dual connectivity, and even supports 90-watt PD fast charging. A USB Type-B to use it as a hub, and offers up to 4 USB Type-A ports. On the other end, you have a DC in, a display port is there, 2 HDMI ports, and a second mic in is also available. One more interesting feature I found is on both the sides of the monitor, you have these hidden headphone stands which can be easily accessed with a simple click like this. And talking about the monitor adjustments, PD32M offers a fully flexible design. You can adjust the height, tilt it, swivel, and can even rotate it to fully portrait mode as well. And by the way, remember during the unboxing, I even showed you that the monitor comes with like a full metal wireless remote control. And there you go, here's how it looks like. Using this, you can fully control the OSD menu on this gaming monitor without even touching the monitor. It's like super convenient. Offers 3 different profile modes to choose from, like on the go. And apart from that, you can fully control picture settings, game settings, audio settings, everything from this wireless remote. And this is how the OSD menu on it looks like. Let me give you like a closer look and show you all the picture settings, game settings, whatever is available on this particular model. Starting off with the game settings, here you can access a couple of predefined game modes, enable adaptive sync and even overdrive mode. Luminance section offers you adjustments for brightness, contrast and gamma levels. You do have an image settings options as well to toggle HDR, adjust the max luminous intensity of the panel. Now going to the audio section, here it offers you a couple of DTS modes to choose from. You can tweak the EQ and even volume settings as per your convenience. And finally, these are your RGB light effect settings. You can fully customize it with up to 14 different lighting effects to choose from, and you can even adjust the brightness as well in 3 different steps. So that was about the design, build quality and basically our complete overview on the exteriors. Let me just quickly connect it to my PC, play some videos and a couple of games. Just have a look at these demos and then we'll talk about the picture and the speaker quality on the PD32M. Okay, you guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. First of all, let me tell you, PD32M features a 31.5-inch 4K IPS mini LED display with an insanely high refresh rate of around 144 Hz with 1 millisecond G to G response time. And let me tell you, display quality on this monitor is phenomenal, guys. I mean, it's not your regular LED backlighting technology. This particular monitor features something known as mini LED technology. So in this mini LED technology, right, unlike your regular LEDs, you're having like much more smaller light emitting diodes, that too in like a dense quantity. So because of this, it offers like much more precise and accurate backlighting control. So at the end, right, the consumer gets like better contrast levels, deeper black levels, and also like precise control over the backlighting. So this definitely makes like a huge difference compared to your regular monitor. And on top of that, it has like 4K resolution, excellent amount of detail, guys. No matter what sort of content I was watching, either it be YouTube videos or even like websites, blogs, and keep that aside, even if you watch like HDR movies also, right, you will be blown away by the detail at 31.5 inches. And coming to the colors, as I've told you, you're getting like IPS panel on board. Combine that with mini LED technology, you can expect like stunning colors over here. The panel actually supports like 156% sRGB color gamut level and up to 122% DCI P3, that too with a delta I value less than 2. And because of this, is it offers like very accurate color reproduction, color accuracy is like super accurate out of the box. I didn't have to do anything over here, guys. I didn't even change any mode on the monitor. Everything out of the box, stock settings only. I was like super satisfied with the colors. It is capable of producing up to like 1.07 billion color range, and I was like blown away watching like movies or even web series over here. And if you talk about the contrast levels, black levels, everything were like on point because of that mini LED technology. And on the overall, I was like very happy with the picture quality. The monitor does support HDR as well. It is VESA certified display HDR 1400 and offers like excellent HDR performance. So while watching HDR content, you can expect around like 1400 nits of brightness, and for the regular standard SDR content, right, you can expect around like 550 to 600 nits of brightness. This is what I found during my usage. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the speaker quality, right? PD32M features stereo speakers on board, 18:2, so totally 16 watts of audio output they can produce. And I was like blown away by the speakers. I was not expecting this, guys. They definitely focused a lot on the sound segment as well, and in fact the sound experience was like very similar to like a sound bar. Nobody can tell that the speakers are coming out of a monitor, guys. That kind of level tuning they've done. There was great amount of detail, excellent clarity. All the vocals were like crisp and clear, either while you're watching movies or even while playing games. And in fact it was actually producing like decent amount of bass also. You don't need like a separate set of speakers only. That is what I felt during my usage with this gaming monitor from Porsche design and AOC. Superb speakers is what I can say.
This is Spider-Man. Back the car before someone gets hurt. Get off the road. Spider-Man, here.
Alright, keeping the picture and sound quality aside, now let's talk about the actual gaming performance of this monitor. As I've told you, this is like a 4K resolution display with an insanely high 144Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond G2G response time. I've played a couple of games like Spider-Man, GTA 5 and even Valorant, and was pretty impressed with the gaming performance over here. It does have adaptive sync support to reduce screen tearing and minimize the latency. See, high refresh rates and low response times are quite essential to get that smooth gaming experience. These features minimize the motion blur and keep the ghosting effects as low as possible while gaming. Buttery smooth gaming even at 4K resolution. See, if you're a guy coming from a simple 1080p monitor to this 4K 144Hz gaming monitor, you will be blown away, guys. There is no going back. Well, that is pretty much it. Our video on AOC's AGON Pro Porsche design PD32M gaming monitor. It's a luxury class product, guys. Offers stealth black look, Porsche logo projection, RGB lighting, 4K 144Hz IPS goodness. It's like an all-in-one package for gamers. Only thing is, as I've told you, it's a very premium product. Costs around 1,34,000 rupees in India. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to see something very interesting. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.